This is interesting. It's the cumulus cloud. Here we are, it's just raining now. Oh. God, the rain's really bad. Interesting how it goes. It's not that loud, and then it's like a crescendo. I'm going to end it here for now because obviously there's probably not much lightning, or probably it's stopped and it's just now it's pouring rain. But I was a bit disappointed because I was expecting a storm that was just, going to develop to an anvil cloud or something like that. But obviously all these low clouds that just came in, and it was obvious when I looked at the clouds thinking it's going to be pretty different with all of the low clouds spawning in. So yeah, but it was very dark before it started raining. All these showers just came in. So then it performed into a thunderstorm, and all of the lightning were coming in and hearing the loud thunders. That was good. But yeah, I was pretty disappointed because I was expecting something that was better than that. But anyway, obviously there will be no storms on Wednesday because we thought that Wednesday will be another storm, but obviously it's not because it's turning to showers. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment if you need any questions. And yeah, hopefully there'll be another storm video coming your way. Just be aware, guys, also that due to my times for university, there might be some times where I might not get to see just some storms. Because I heard that there might be some more storms next week. So I'll try and do everything I can to pretty much get through and see if I can film some. But if not, we'll just have to give it a miss. Since it's raining, I'm going to end it now. Thank you for watching, and good night.